Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming backups and matching files. This prevents data loss. Once done, enable developer options and turn on USB debugging so you can sideload safely. Next, download the exact theme store or Realme UI APK that matches your OS build. Mismatched versions cause signature errors. Make sure storage has 20% free space and battery is above 50%. These steps let you start the fix without interruptions and create a reversible state if something goes wrong. You now remove conflicts and replace the app cleanly. First, uninstall any duplicate theme apps or revert updates. Conflicting signatures block installation. Then sideload the correct APK using a db install R theme, app, or a trusted file manager. This replaces the app while keeping settings when possible. Once installed, go to Settings Apps Theme Store and clear cache and data to remove corrupt entries. These actions fix permission mismatches and corrupted caches that commonly prevent the theme store from functioning. You finish by rebooting the phone so system services restart and the theme store can register properly. After reboot, open the theme store, browse previews, and apply a simple theme to confirm functionality. Then restore backups if everything looks good. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to rule out third-party interference or perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Remember, factory reset removes data, so use it after confirming backups. This one troubleshooting tip resolves deeper system conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.